We're so back.
The service in upper New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern County. Thunderstorms may.
We're so back still.
Nassau County in southeastern New York until 4:15 p.m. At 3:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tompkinsville over the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, moving east at 35 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Flatbush and Coney Island around 3:30 p.m. Canarsie and Brooklyn Heights around 3:35 p.m. Forest Hills and Howard Beach around 3:40 p.m. Jamaica and Kennedy Airport around 3:45 p.m. Elmont around 3:50 p.m. Valley Stream and Garden City around 3:55 p.m. Mineola and Hempstead around 4 p.m. Westbury around 4:05 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
This is WXM 80 in Riverhead, New York. I'm over here in Heckin, Virginia Beach. That's like, what, 300 miles away? That's like over there. Oh, here's the antenna I'm using. That's crazy. We're so back, guys.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters. Source, radar indicated.
This is a different marine warning issued by Upton.
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Impact. Small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations and tactics include Ocean Gate, Barnegat Light, Shark River Reef, Seaside Park, Barnegat Light Reef, Pine Beach, Silverton, Ford River, and Lavalette. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm.
What?
If caught on
Oh, that was a
open water,
glitch.
stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Here is
Y'all, it is super windy out here. Oh yeah, we are so back, guys.
the national warning for Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, East Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 4:30 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Penn State Forest, or 18 miles southwest of Toms River, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations and tactics include Toms River, Barnegat, Beechwood, Seaside Heights, Maniloking, Denver Lake, Dover Beaches North, Brookfield, Holiday City South, Warren Grove, Old Halfway, Chatsworth, Penn State Forest, Dover Beaches South, Holiday City Berkeley, South Toms River, Island Heights, Silver Ridge, Ocean Acres, and Guilford Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean